نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Everyone, please read the Durood Sharif. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya Rasulullah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habiballah. Honorable Peer Sayyid Muhammad Ali Raza Bukhari Saifi, respected Peer Ibrahim Rohani Sahib, respected Professor Abdul Manan Sahib, respected guests and audience, I stand before you today to address a matter of great importance: the behavior of the young generation and children toward their parents. In Islam, the relationship between parents and children holds immense significance, and it is crucial that we understand and implement the teachings and guidance provided to us by our religion. Allah Almighty, the Most Merciful, has blessed us with parents as a means of love, care, and guidance. They have sacrificed their time, effort, and energy to raise us, nurture us, and provide for us. In return, it is our duty as children to honor and respect them, treating them with kindness, compassion, and obedience. The rights of parents in Islam are profound, and fulfilling them is an essential part of our faith. First and foremost, Islam emphasizes the concept of obedience to parents. Allah Almighty says in the Quran, وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا, and be kind to your parents. We are instructed to listen to our parents, seek their advice, and obey them in matters that are permissible in Islam. Obeying our parents is not only a demonstration of our gratitude, but also an act of worship that pleases Allah Almighty. Secondly, Islam encourages us to show kindness, love, and respect towards our parents. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Al-Jannatu tahta aqdamil ummahati. Paradise, Jannah, lies at the feet of your mother. This hadith highlights the elevated status of mothers in Islam and reminds us of the utmost importance of treating them with utmost respect and care. We should always speak to our parents with gentle and kind words, lowering our voices in their presence and avoiding any form of disrespect or harshness. Additionally, Islam teaches us to be considerate and compassionate towards our parents, especially as they grow older. The Quran reminds us to be patient and gentle with them, even if they exhibit signs of weakness or require assistance. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "He is not one of us who does not have mercy on young children and does not respect our elders." This hadith emphasizes the need to be understanding, patient, and supportive in our interactions with our parents, acknowledging their struggles and showing gratitude for their years of care. Furthermore, Islam urges us to provide for our parents' needs to the best of our abilities, physically and emotionally. This includes providing them with financial support, medical care, and companionship. Islam teaches us that taking care of our parents is means of attaining blessings and rewards from Allah Almighty. Finally, let us remember that our relationship with our parents should not be limited to this world alone. In Islam, we believe in the concept of barakah, which refers to blessings that extend beyond our lifetime. By fulfilling our duties towards our parents and treating them with kindness and respect, we are not only ensuring their happiness in this life, but also earning Allah's pleasure and the potential for eternal reward in the hereafter. In conclusion, the rights of parents in Islam are profound, and it is our duty to fulfill them to the best of our abilities. Let us strive to be obedient, kind, and respectful towards our parents, recognizing the immeasurable value they hold in our lives. By following the teachings of Islam in our relationship with our parents, we can contribute to a harmonious and spiritually uplifting environment within our families, benefiting both our immediate and future generations. May Allah Almighty bless us all with the ability to love and honor our parents. Ameen. Allah.